Revitalize your personal retreat with these bedroom makeover ideas that breathe new life into your space. Accent wall magic. Infuse drama and depth by creating an accent wall. Choose a bold paint color, textured wallpaper, or even a mural to instantly transform the room. Statement headboard. Elevate your bed with the stylish headboard option for an upholstered design, a wooden masterpiece, or even a do-it-yourself creation for a personalized touch. Luxurious bedding. Upgrade your bedding to a high-quality ensemble, layer plush pillows, cozy throws, and a duvet for a hotel-like atmosphere. Customized furniture. Invest in bespoke furniture pieces to match your style and maximize functionality. Custom-made dressers, nightstands are a vanity and a touch of luxury. Chic lighting fixtures. Illuminate your space with statement lighting, whether it's a dazzling chandelier, elegant beside lamps, or unique pendant lights. Let lighting be a focal point. Mirrored surfaces. Reflect elegance with mirrored furniture. From dressers to nightstands, mirrored surfaces add glamour and create a sense of spaciousness. These bedroom makeover ideas offer a spectrum of possibilities to revamp your space. Tailor these suggestions to your preferences and let your bedroom become a sanctuary of style, comfort, and personal expression. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. For more videos, please visit my channel.